Listed companies usually publish their financial statements as a part of an annual report, and a reader of these annual reports must be able to identify these financial statements and distinguish them from other information in an annual report. This is important because the financial statements are audited while other information in an annual report is not. And this other information is therefore important, but it must be read with some degree of skepticism. Now, as far as the question is that what does a complete set of financial statements include, we get the answer in section 2 of Companies Act 2017. And according to this act, financial statements include: number 1, a statement of financial position as at the end of the period, a statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income, and in case of a not-for-profit company, a statement of income and expenditure for the period. Number 3, a statement of changes in equity for the period. The fourth statement is a statement of cash flows for the period. And apart from these four statements, financial statements also includes notes. Notes are therefore an integral part of these financial statements, and they not only tell the readers about the accounting policies which are followed by the companies while preparing their financial statements, and it helps the readers in understanding how transactions and other events are reflected in these statements. Similarly, the notes are also important because they give description of the items reflected in the above statements and how the totals have been formed in these statements. Similarly, notes also give information and description of certain items which do not qualify to be reported in the statements of profit or loss or financial position or changes in equity or cash flows, but from the point of view of the reader, they are important and help in making an informed economic decision. So notes are also an important part of the financial statements. Another thing is that the Companies Act 2017 also requires the companies to give comparative information in respect of the preceding period. Therefore, for all the items reflected in the statements or in the notes, not only the amounts reflected will be for the current period, they will also be for the preceding period. And apart from it, the financial statement set also include any other statement as may be prescribed from time to time.